So I'm going to show you how to use the inbox really quick in Canvas. So Canvas actually has its own messaging tool built in on the left-hand side here called Inbox. And again, because it's on the black toolbar, this is a global inbox that works for all of my classes. So if I clicked on my inbox, think of it like a version of Gmail that lives right within Canvas. And essentially what it does is if I can click the new message button here, this will let me choose to send a message to somebody. Now, I could just type in their name, so I could type in a person's name if I want, and as long as that person is in one of my courses, I can their name should pop up and I can send them a message. It won't let you send messages to people that are not in one of your courses. But if I wanted to send something an individual, I could also go through and choose to select a course. Here are my favorite courses, the ones I have starred. Here's all courses. And I could find somebody in a specific course as well. So if I wanted to say, hey, this is in my Mr. Wagner course, and I click over here, this will show me, here's all the teachers in here, all the students in there, all the observers in there. I could say, yeah, show me the students. Oh yeah, Penny the Pirate, that's what I want. I'm going to send a message to her, and then they'll pull up. I could still type in a subject. I can go ahead and create my message. I have buttons down here to attach files, and I can even record my video, or I could upload video, or I could record my own messages. So if I wanted to do it this way instead of type, I could do that, and then I hit send. Now, they are going to get a message in their inbox on Canvas, but then they will also get an email in Gmail. So there may be a slight delay between when the Gmail one shows up, but they'll always have that message in Canvas, and since they're in Canvas all the time, they'll be able to see that. So if I go ahead and just type in a test message and hit send, then she will receive that message. Tells me message has been sent. I do have the ability over here. I have an inbox. I could look at unread messages, messages I've starred. That's like pinning, sent messages, all that kind of stuff. I also have the ability to send a message to an entire course. So if I go in here to all courses, and I would pull up a course like the Holman Canvas course here, I could go ahead and say, yeah, I want to create a message, and it automatically fills that in. Or I could simply choose it from this list as well. And if I say to, I could click here and say send it to everybody in this course. It'll automatically have that group and send it to every single student in this course simultaneously. So I could do it this way, type in my message, type in my subject and hit send, and it would send this message to every person that's enrolled in this course. And again, they'll get it in their inbox, and then they'll also get it via Gmail that's set up. Now there's one other option to be able to send messages to students if I want, and that lives actually at the gradebook. So if I have grades in a course, so if I'm in a specific course, let's say I'm in my Holman Canvas course here, and I go down here to grades, if I have maybe some students who have not completed assignments or something that hasn't been done, I can go up to an assignment heading at the top here, and I have these little 3 dots that will show up once I click, and that gives me the option where I can message students who do something or didn't do something. So I could say message students who haven't submitted this assignment yet, and it automatically fills in all the names. I could say message students who haven't been graded yet. Maybe I'm going to send them a message saying, hey, sorry, I haven't had a chance to do this yet. I'm going to get it done by this weekend, etc. Or I could say, hey, message students that scored less than a 50, or message students that scored less than, whatever. I can control that, and it gives the subject automatically. I could type in my message and hit send this way as well. Now, it doesn't give me the ability to record my video or to attach things to it, since it's kind of like a group message. I could also do a more than, so if you want to congratulate people for doing a great job. So it's a quick, easy way to be able to send messages to your class without having to make mail groups in Gmail and that kind of stuff.